Good day mga boss! Welcome po ulit sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide polynomials using the special case of synthetic division. Are you ready? Let us start! Okay, bakit sinabi ko pong special case of synthetic division? Okay, so kung napanood nyo yung part 1 ng video ng synthetic division, yung divisor doon is a binomial, okay, in the form of x minus r. So this is what we call the special case because yung ating divisor is a trinomial and quadratic or is in degree 2. So ginawa ko po itong video na to kasi meron pong nagtatanong kung paano po gawin yung synthetic division na trinomial yung divisor. Kasi pag inopen nyo yung book ng grade 10 math ng DepEd, meron dong activity na yung divisor is a trinomial pero sa lesson wala naman doon nakalagay kung paano gawin yung divisor ng synthetic division which is a trinomial. So yun yung purpose ko bakit ginawa ko po itong video na to. Okay? So, yung una-una natin gagawin mga boss is we are going to arrange the dividend again into the descending powers of x or into its descending order. Okay? So, manotice nyo mga boss, yung pinakamataas na exponent ng ating dividend is 5. So, this is our leading term. So, this is now 4x raised to 5. Okay, followed by negative 25x raised to 4. Then, plus 40x raised to 3. Next, plus 5x squared minus 30x plus 18. Okay, so this is now the descending order of our dividend. Okay, so divide this by, okay, so i-check nyo lang mga boss, dapat yung leading coefficient din ng divisor nyo is 1. Okay, so okay na po tayo kasi 1 na yung leading coefficient ng ating divisor. Sulat lang natin dito mga boss. Okay, so yung ginawa ko mga boss is sinolve ko muna itong given yung division ng polynomials gamit yung long division para at least ma-compare natin kung tama talaga yung sagot natin gamit yung synthetic division. So ito po yung sagot, okay, gamit lang yung long division. So ito po yung sagot. Okay, so i-pause nyo lang po mamaya para at least ma-check natin kung tama yung ating sagot or yung quotient gamit yung synthetic division. So yung gagawin natin dito is we are going to list the coefficients of the dividend. So we have here 4, okay, negative 25, next 40, next 5, next negative 30, then 18. Okay, so no need tayong mag-insert dito ng 0 mga boss kasi wala naman tayong missing term. So tingnan natin kung naka-descending order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So wala tayong missing term. Okay, tapos guguhit lang tayo dito. Okay, so ito yung gagawin natin. So next, yung divisor natin, una kukunin natin yung shortcut mga boss, kunin natin yung opposite ng constant ng ating divisor. So yung constant ng divisor natin is 9. So what is the opposite of 9? Okay, tama, negative 9. So yung negative 9 mga boss, lagay natin dito. Okay, sa unang row. Okay, next kunin natin yung opposite ng coefficient ng ating linear term. Okay, so yung coefficient ng ating linear term is negative 6. So what is the opposite of negative 6? Yes, tama mga boss, that is positive 6. Lagay natin dito yung positive 6 mga boss. Okay? Next, yung unang gagawin natin is we're going to bring down 4. So this is 4. Yung first entry nating dividend o yung leading coefficient ng dividend, i-bring down lang natin mga boss. Okay? And next, yung coefficient ng second term ng ating dividend, i-bring down natin hanggang dito lang mga boss. Okay? Hanggang dyan lang sa second row lang. Next, ang gagawin nyo mga boss is we are going to multiply 4 times 6. So that is 24. Dito natin ilagay kung saan row siya mga boss. dito doon yun din siya ilagay. So 4 times 6, so yung 6 na sa row na second row, dito din natin ilagay yung 24. Okay, next 4 times negative 9, this is negative 36, dito natin ilagay. Okay, sa row 1. Okay, next, add natin negative 25 plus 24, that is 1. I mean negative 1. Kasi negative 25 plus 24, that is negative 1. So add natin ito, 40 plus negative 36, that is 4. Okay, so next, yung sagot dito, multiply ulit natin sa 6, negative 1 times 6, that is negative 6. Next, negative 1 times negative 9, that is positive 9. Okay, so add natin 4 plus negative 6, that is negative 2. Okay, next, add natin 5 plus 9, that is 14. Okay, yung sagot dito sa third column, multiply natin ulit sa 6, negative 2 times 6, that is negative 12. Lagay natin sa second column kasi yung 6 na sa second column. Negative 2 times negative 9, that is positive 18. So, ilagay natin sa first column kasi yung negative 9 nasa first column. Add natin ulit, 14 plus negative 12, that is positive 2. Okay. Negative 30 plus 18, that is negative 12. So, again, multiply 2 times 6, that is 12. 2 times negative 9, this is negative 18. Okay. So, add natin ulit, negative 12 plus 12, that is 0. Negative 8, positive 18 plus negative 18, that is 0. So, yung sagot dito, mga boss, yung sum is, i-bring down nyo nasa third row. Okay? So, yung last two entries, mga boss, that is our remainder. Okay? So, yung remainder natin, mga boss, is dalawang 0. It means wala tayong remainder. Okay? So, what will be now, or what is now our quotient? So, the quotient will be, okay, so yung quotient, mga boss, so yung degree ng quotient natin is degree of the dividend minus the degree of the divisor. So, yung degree ng ating dividend, yung pinakamataas na exponent ng ating variable. So, the degree is 5. At sa ating divisor, the degree is 2. So, 5 minus 2, that is 3. Tama, mga boss, 3. So, therefore, our quotient is in degree 3. So, therefore, our quotient is equal to 4. Since x yung ginamit ng variable, so x cube minus, so descending powers of x din yung ating quotient. X squared, negative 1 or negative x squared na yan, mga boss. Minus 2x plus 2. So, eto na po yung ating quotient, mga boss. So, i-check natin if pareho yung sagot sa long division. So, kung manotice nyo, mga boss, pareho po yung sagot natin sa long division. Okay, next example tayo, mga boss. We have 3x raised to 4 minus x cubed plus x minus 2 divided by 3x squared plus x plus 1. So, ulit, gagawin natin is arrange natin yung dividend into the descending powers of x. So, we have here, pinakamataas is 3x raised to 4 followed by negative x cubed. Okay. So, wala tayong x squared. So, may missing term tayo, mga boss. So, gagawin natin is we're going to insert plus 0, x squared. Next, plus x minus 2. Okay? Divide this by, so yung divisor natin, i-check din natin kung naka-descending order. Tapos, yung leading coefficient ng ating divisor is dapat 1. So, since dito hindi 1 yung leading coefficient, okay, naka-descending order naman po ito, mga boss, 2, 1, 0. Ang gagawin natin, i-factor natin yung 3 para maging 1 yung coefficient ng ating leading term ng ating divisor. This is now equal to 3x squared divided by 3. This is x squared. Okay. Plus 1 divided by 3, that is 1/3 x. Plus 1 divided by 3, that is 1/3. Okay. So, eto naman, mga boss, dalawang division naman yung gagawin natin. Una, i-divide natin ito gamit ito using the synthetic division. Pag nakuha na natin yung quotient, i-divide ulit natin by 3. Kasi meron pa po tayong 3 dito. Okay? So, isulat natin yung coefficient ng ating divisor. This is 3 minus 1, 0, 1, tsaka negative 2. Okay? So, dito, what is the opposite of 1/3? That is, yes, correct, negative 1/3. Then, opposite of the coefficient of the second term, 1/3, that is also negative 1/3. Lagay natin sa second column. Next, again, bring down this dito. This is 3. Yung negative 1, bring down lang natin sa second column or second row. Okay? Next, multiply 3 times negative 1/3, that is negative 1. Tama mga boss. 3 times negative 1/3, that is negative 1. Oh, sorry, dito pala. Okay? So, again, we add, this is negative 2. This is 0 plus negative 1, this is negative 1. Again, we multiply negative 2 times negative 1/3, that is positive 2/3. Okay? Negative 2 times negative 1/3, still that is positive 2/3. Okay? We add negative 1 plus 2/3 is, this is negative 3 over 3, negative 1/3. Okay? So, adding this is 5/3. Okay? Next, multiply this to negative 1/3, that is positive 1, 9. Okay? This is also positive 1, 9. So, 5/3 plus 1, 9. So, this is 9, 15, 16 over 9. Okay? So, paano nag-16 over 9 mga boss? Kuhanin nyo lang yung LCD plus 1, 9. The LCD is 9. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 5 is 15. 9 divided by 9 is 1 plus times 1 is 1. So, 15 plus 1 is 16 over 9. Okay? So, this is equal to, so, yung negative 2 plus 1, 9. So, that is equal to negative 18, negative 17 over 9. So, this is 9. So, this is 1. 9 divided by 1 is 9 times 2 is negative 18. 9 divided by 9 is 1 times 1 is 1. So, that is equal to negative 17 over 9. So, yung last two entries natin mga boss, yan yung ating remainder. Okay? So, ano na ba yung quotient natin? Yung quotient natin mga boss is, this is, so, degree of the dividend minus the degree of the divisor, that is the degree of our quotient. So, the degree is 4. The degree of the divisor is 2. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. Tama mga boss. So, this is equal to 3x squared minus 2x minus 1/3. So, meron tayong remainder. So, add natin yung remainder plus, okay, 16 over 9. Yung remainder natin mga boss is 1 less than the degree of the divisor. Since the degree of the divisor is 2, so yung ating remainder, the degree is 1. So, 16 over 9x, okay, minus 17 over 9 over, okay, eto, you have x squared plus 1/3 x plus 1/3. Okay? Pero sabi ko, yung quotient, i-divide pa natin ng 3. So, i-divide pa natin yung 3, that will be the final answer. So, 3x squared divided by 3, that is x squared. Okay? Negative 2x divided by 3, that is negative 2/3 x. Negative 1/3 divided by 3, that is negative 1/9. This, divide by 1/3 or divide by 3 or multiply by 1/3, this is equal to 16 over 9x minus 17 over 9 all over. This is equal to x, 3x squared plus 3x, plus x plus 1. So, eto na po yung final answer. Okay? So, practice na ng practice mga boss para ma-master nyo yung process paano mag-divide ng polynomials gamit yung special case ng synthetic division or yung divisor natin is a trinomial. So, I hope may natutunan kayo mga boss. Thank you for supporting our channel. Please hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. Thank you, and God bless.